What's up, Pyros? Today we got another demo. This is Criss by Window Fireworks. This is a 16-shot cake. This is another item I picked up from backyardfireworks.com. Link in the description below, as well as the code JG-PyroTX for 10% off your order of any regularly priced item or case. And for our performance on this, we have very bright red, purple, yellow, and green crossettes. Nice color and special effect. So this is a nice effect cake. Crossettes are always a nice effect to add to your show, so it's nice to have a cake that's just those in the consumer end. Let's go ahead and take a look. Not expecting big bores, as this is just an effect. So you can see we have 4 sets of 4 tubes, and these are small diameter, but like I said, it's just crossettes, so it's a small effect, but it is something nice to have for your show, something you don't see very often. So let's go ahead, take this thing out to the field and see how crisscross looks.